birds sound like it's laughing out loud. The laughing Kookaburra lives in eastern Australia's forests, woodlands, and even suburban parks. It's the largest kingfisher, growing up to 45 centimeters and weighing about 500 grams. Known for its loud call that sounds like human laughter, this bird uses the sound to mark territory. Kookaburras often perch quietly, waiting to catch insects, small reptiles, or even snakes. They live in family groups and help raise each other's chicks, showing strong social bonds. Let's protect this animal before it's gone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next wild moment.